Welcome to the era of AI-powered creativity with GitMind. Let's embark on a journey to craft the perfect mind map. Step 1. Tap into GitMind AI and select Mind Mapping. Enter a topic and watch as our AI weaves a comprehensive mind map for you. Instantly, your mind map unfolds with key elements neatly organized. Step 2. Chat with AI. Get instant answers and seamlessly integrate them into your mind map with one click. No more digging through documents or scouring the web. Your mind map evolves in real time, enriched with insights and clarity. Step 3. Need to incorporate web content into your plan? Paste the link, and our AI will parse the information, transforming it into a structured part of your mind map. Finally, let GitMind AI inspire your visual content. Generate a set of image prompts, craft a photo, and place it at your mind map. Unleash the full potential with GitMind AI. Transform complexity into clarity and ideas into action.